Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we have been asked to calculate a cube minus b cube. Now they gave us a simultaneous equation. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. Then remember a and b should be greater than 0. So let's get started. So looking at this question, the first thing to do is to we are going to factorize a minus b on both equations. So let's factorize a minus b to make our equation even more simpler. So if we factorize here, we are going to have ab, and here, if we factorize in the middle, then we'll change the plus sign to a minus 1. So here will be minus a minus b should be equals to 99. So this is equation 1. So if you open the bracket, you go back to the original, it will be minus a and plus b. Next, equation 2. If we look at equation 2, the second one, we are going to have, if you want to factorize, a squared represent a b minus a b b. So what is common on both sides? We have ab will be left with ab. If we write ab, we'll be left with a bracket a minus b. So this can be written as our equation 2. We are going to have ab bracket a minus b equals to 2952. We can call this equation 2. Okay. Looking at a cube minus b cube can also be written with, we can write an algebraic formula that will have a b bracket a minus b. So if we try to apply that, our a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b cube plus 3ab bracket a minus b. Okay, so looking at this, we can spot ab bracket a minus b, ab bracket a minus b, which is equals to 2952. So we are going to replace that, and we just need to multiply it times 3. So we are going to have a bracket a minus b cube plus 3 times 2952. So if we multiply this, 3 times 2952 is going to give us 8,856. Okay, so what is left next is for us to get a minus b and use the power 3 cube. Okay, so these two equations can be simplified. Let m be equals to ab and n a minus b. So we can rewrite this equation as m minus n. So this will be the same as m minus n should be equals to 99. Then for the second equation, equation 2, we can still do the same. This will be the same as m times n. So we are going to have m times n will be equals to 2952. So let's make m the subject. Let's make m the subject since we are trying to get m minus n. So if we make m the subject, m is equals to, m is going to be 99 plus n. So we can make n the subject, and we substitute, this was equation 1 and equation 2, and we substitute that in equation 2. So where we see m, we can write 99 plus n. So if we do that, we are going to have our equation as in the spot of n, we plug in 99 plus n, bracket times n is equals to 2,952. So let's just open the bracket. So we are going to have 99n plus n squared should be equals to 2,952. So we can see that this is a quadratic equation, and since this is a quadratic equation, so let us write this as a quadratic equation. N squared plus 99n, and this is plus. When it crosses, it becomes minus 2,952 equals to 0. So let us factorize. So n squared itself is n. Next, we have to think of two numbers that when we multiply them together is going to give us minus 2,952, and when we add the same two numbers together, we are going to have 99. So the two numbers will be 123 times minus 24. So if we multiply these two numbers together, we are going to have this, and if we add these two numbers, we are going to have 99. So with this, we can calculate n. So we can see that n will be equals to 24. Now this part is rejected because this will give you minus. N will be minus 123, since they said a and b should be greater than 0. So now we have the value of n. N is 24. So we can complete our answer. So in order to do that, let's just plug in the value of n now. So we are going to have 24 cubed plus 8,856. So if we have 24 cubed will give us 13,824 plus 8,856. If we add them up together, we are going to have 22,680. Thanks for watching. To support, subscribe, and this is our final answer.